Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video, our next lecture from our series on Pinterest. In this one we will talk about which are the most popular niches on Pinterest, so you can know where you can promote the best and what type of products and services you can promote the best using Pinterest, so you can actually get a good return on investment if you are creating ads or if you are investing your time in using Pinterest as a promotion channel for your business. So let's dive in the information. So the most popular niches on Pinterest. The most popular niche on Pinterest, so the first one, it's home and deco or redecorations. So if you are selling different type of instruments or things that can help people in home and deco, guides and stuff like that, probably you'll be very successful on Pinterest. The second niche is crafts, so everything that is craft related, handmade things, guides, different tools for using in crafts, and different things like that. This is also a very popular niche and gets a lot of repins and people are following it. Then traveling is another niche that you can successfully promote products and services into. Also, we have food, we have dieting and fitness, we have fashion, beauty, events and weddings, and gardening. So these are the most popular niches that you will find out there on Pinterest. Why is this important for you again? Because these are the niches where you will get the best results if you are promoting something. Now, why is this important? Because these are the niches in which you will have the best chances to promote something and sell, as I've stated to you before. Remember that more than 93% of pinners have bought at least once online in the last 6 months. So if you are using Pinterest wisely in these niches, the chances for you to sell to these people is very high. Okay, so these people here are shoppers. This is why they are here, to see what other people buy, to see things that they might buy in the near future. So you are practically in the right marketplace, because if you are rethinking the whole platform in another way, it's like a marketplace, for recommendations and things like that about products and services that people love. Most of the time people pin things they bought or which they want to buy. So these are the reasons why this is very important for you to know. Now guys, again, thank you very much for your attention. Sorin here. Good luck till we see next time. Bye bye for now again.